Hi, welcome to Cooking Healthy with Mr. S. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to cook a pizza tortilla. Please remember that for you to do any cooking, you need the presence of your parents and your help with your parents that they watch you. Even if it's the first couple times that you are cooking by yourself, you still need them with you to make sure that you are safe. And that is my number one priority. And again, today we are going to be cooking a pizza tortilla. And the reason I love pizza tortillas is they're actually very healthy. And the reason they're healthier than a normal pizza is they're lower in calories because of the small, thin tortilla shell instead of the really thick pizza crust that normally comes with a pizza. There's several types of different tortilla shells too. You can get corn, you can get flour. It's really your personal preference. So you can find whichever one you want. Also, when doing this, you can get a larger tortilla shell or a smaller tortilla shell. It's really up to you. Once again, personal preference. You will see that I will have two types of cheeses when I'm doing this, some mozzarella and some cheddar. I have my toppings today as just pepperoni. And again, anytime you want to do a specialty pizza, you can bring in your own sausage, your own Canadian bacon, pineapple, olives, onions, peppers, mushrooms, all those types of things, which I've done in the past. And it's really whatever you want to do. Today I'm just using a generic pizza sauce that I bought from the store for pizza. And in the past, if I do a large quantity of these for groups of people, I actually will make my own homemade pizza sauce, but it's really up to you. So let's begin. So you can see that I have two different size tortillas here. I also have a cooking sheet over here and I have the rack right here. What I will be doing is put on the sauce first when I use the rack. So when I put it on, it's not going all over the place. Those of you that are going to use a cooking sheet and put it into the oven, I suggest that you put the tortilla shell right on the cooking sheet before you start. The first thing I do is I take a spoon and I do 1 teaspoon of sauce. And you can use any kind of sauce that you want. I'm just using a general sauce from the grocery store. When I do big gatherings and I make a lot of these, I will actually make my own homemade sauce. But I take 1 teaspoon and I just spread it all around. And it doesn't take much sauce to be on the tortilla shell for the flavoring. Now, I would do the same thing if I was using the cooking sheet, but since I'm using a cooking rack, because I will be using a smaller conventional oven to do my larger pizza here, one of the things I do is I always put my seasoning underneath my cheese just so that the seasoning doesn't get burnt. Over the years, I used to work in a pizza shop when I was in college. And if you ever put the seasoning on top of the cheese, sometimes it gets a burnt flavor. So the 3 things I always like to put on my pizzas is I put a little oregano seasoning on it. And don't use much because oregano is very strong. I follow it up then with some Italian seasoning. Followed by garlic seasoning. After I have the seasoning on, I then put on my cheese. The one thing that I learned at the pizza shop is you definitely use mozzarella. Mozzarella is actually one of the cheaper of the cheeses that you can come up with. Now, if you want to spice it up and put some different types of cheeses on there, you can. But the mozzarella will melt and spread out quite a bit. So you actually don't need a whole lot of mozzarella on there. And then we put on a little bit of cheddar on top. And again, you don't need much. We used to do probably 10% of the cheese on our pizzas was the cheddar, where 90% of it was the mozzarella. Now at the end, you can put on any toppings that you want. You can put on vegetables. just to make a demonstration on this, I'm just going to put on some pepperoni on this simple little pizza. Once the pizza is done, make sure you get some oven mitts and make sure that you use them when you take out your pizza. I like to take the whole rack out and slide right onto my plate. Put the rack back so it can cool. Again, if you're using the oven, you would open up the oven, take out your sheet, bring your sheet up on top. Sometimes with the bigger oven sheet that you will have, you can actually cut the pizza right away and then let it cool. I like to put it on my plate, cut it up. And there you have a nice personal little pizza that is healthy and low calorie. Have a great day, Mesa Bears. Hi, we'd just like to remind you that you are not allowed to do any of these cooking exercises or activities without your parents present. They must be with you and supervising you when you are doing this for the first couple times. Your safety is our #1 concern.